Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can recover your deleted stories on TikTok. So let's say I deleted one of my stories, so I'm going to delete this story over here. So I'm just going to click on the three dot and click on delete and click on delete. So this story has been deleted. But if you guys have saved the story, then it's going to be available in your phone's photo gallery. So I will open my phone's photo gallery, and as you guys can see, the story is available over here because I had saved my TikTok story when I uploaded it. But if you guys have turned on autosave mode on TikTok, the moment you create a story, it's going to be automatically saved on your phone. So go on your phone's gallery to see if that is saved on your phone or not. In my case, it's saved over here. So what I can do is I can re-upload it again. But the only problem is when I re-upload it, the little TikTok watermark is also going to appear. So that's a little problem. But yeah, that's basically how you guys can recover your deleted TikTok video. But if your TikTok story was not saved on your device, the next option you can do is go on profile on your TikTok and click on the three line at the top. Once you do that, you want to go on this option called settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, the first option versus account, click on accounts and choose this option called download your data. And once you're over here, wait for some time and choose TXT and click on request data. Once you click on request data, a data will be requested from TikTok and it's going to take you 1 or 2 hours. But after 1 or 2 hours, come back to this same setting page, request data. But this time click on download data at the top. And the data is going to be available over here, which you guys can download. Now remember, the chances of your TikTok video being available in this data is around 50-50. If you're trying to recover a story after 24 hours, then this method will not work. But if you guys have just deleted your story and it hasn't been 24 hours, then by following the step which I just showed you, you should be able to recover your deleted TikTok story. So these are the only available 2 methods on how you guys can recover your deleted TikTok story. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.